Right off the bat, planning pointer 53 is to do laundry if your trip is a week or more. It's less to pack and eliminates a suitcase or two from your trip. Here's what to expect in Walt Disney World's laundry room. First, look for this wall-mounted screen and slide your credit card to begin. You can choose a washer or dryer, and then it'll show you the available machines. If you need more than one, try to pick a pair next to each other. Remember the number you picked. It'll show you the cost. Click OK. Make sure you hit finish. I'll show you the disaster I caused by forgetting this later in the video, so stick around. If you don't want to bring your own detergent, you can purchase some at the resort, and it's surprisingly a reasonable cost at $1 as of this video. I'm surprised, since they're also trying to sell you a Coke for $4. Here's a pair of quick tips on getting your laundry here from your room. Planning pointer 72 is to bring a kitchen trash bag for each load of laundry. Then 73 is to load them onto your stroller so you're not carrying them across the resort. Seriously, I think we used our stroller more for storage than for the kids on this trip. Add your detergent and whatever else you use. Make sure the door is clicked and closed, then select the cycle you want. The machine should start right away and start a timer until it's finished. Don't worry too much about the timer, there's a much easier way to track your progress. You should see a set of instructions on the wall somewhere. Open the camera app on your phone, pointed at the strange-looking QR code here, then click to open the website it shows you. This is how you're going to keep track of your laundry timer. Select the resort you're staying at, then click on the laundry room you're using. You'll see a list of numbers and timers. These are the machines in the room. Tap on the ones you used, then enter your email or phone number. Disney will send you a message when it's done. If that helps you out, hit subscribe for more. When it's time to switch to the dryer, start the screen again and choose a dryer. Just like before, the available machines will show up along with the price. Now, this is super important. Listen up. Whatever happens, do not miss this. When you're unloading your washer...
Oh, I'm so sorry. Did I forget to push a button? I always don't forget to push that button. Thank you so much.
Okay, back to that super important tip. Make sure you check really carefully around the rim between the tumbler and the door. We found something stuck in the gap every single time we used it. Not all of them were ours, which means someone before us didn't realize it was there. See? It happened both times. Load up the dryer, click the door closed, and select a cycle. It should start right away, but one didn't. Here's how to fix it. Go back to the screen and put your card in again. Mine immediately recognized there was an issue with my machine. Click Report a Problem either way. My problem was with the dryer. Click my number, then tell it what happened. I can use a different machine or get a refund. Super quick, super easy. Oh my gosh, don't forget to click finish. This time it started right away and started the timer again. I'll go back to the website and track my dryers. Up next, explore the rest of Disney's Pop Century Resort with us. This value resort with Skyliner access is an incredible option for your trip. Or maybe you want to see how we pack 12 outfits into a single carry-on suitcase. That might be the most useful video we've ever made. Thanks for watching this one. We love you. We'll see you next time we ride the Teacups. Later, y'all.